Hello and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll watch Alyssa play with her RC car and scout out a few prepositions. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. It is a short word placed before a noun or a pronoun, and it's used to show location, place, direction, time, and spatial relationships. It also helps introduce an object. If you're wondering what a preposition is, take a look at the words in, on, under, over, below, above, and between, all of which can be used before a noun to tell where someone or something is. Let's get started. Alyssa runs to her room. The battery is still charging. It must be nearly full now, though. The remote is in the box. Where is the remote? In the box. The word in tells us where the remote is. She turns the car's start button on and grabs the remote to set the car in motion. The car is now on the floor, all set to run. Where is the car? On the floor. The word on tells us where the car is. Alyssa pushes the forward button. The car goes speeding under the bed. Where does the car go? The word under tells where the car goes. We'll repeat the prepositions every time we use them. Won't that be fun? Alyssa presses the reverse button and the car goes barreling to the corner behind the door. Behind. It bangs against the wall and comes to a halt. Against. Alyssa presses the forward button and the car is now in front of the closet. In front of. She presses the left arrow and the car finds a place next to the trash bin. Next to. Another push at the left arrow and the car goes between the couch and the lamp. Between. Alyssa presses and holds the button so the car goes around the lamp. Around. She takes a look at the manual and switches the car to the climb mode. She then puts the car near the desk. Near. Alyssa places it right against the wall. That's the second time we meet the preposition against. One push at the forward button and the car climbs up the wall. Up. With a whoop of joy, Alyssa moves the car right below the painting. Below. Before the car could hit the painting, she quickly steers the car. The car goes racing past the clock. She holds the button until it reaches the ceiling. She then moves the car across the room. Across. Alyssa jumps for joy on seeing the car right above her head. Above. The car moves to the other end of the room and then glides over the window and reaches the floor. Over. Alyssa is startled when Mom calls her for dinner. She picks up the car, puts it back in the box, and goes for dinner. That brings us to the end of our lesson. Now it's your turn. If you want to learn in spades and practice in plenty, then tutoringhour.com is the place to be. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends if you found it helpful. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, do that right now. Thanks for watching Tutoring Hour.